What up YouTube, this is Orlando and I'm back again with a brand new video. This time around we are installing the new mountain hatch composite panel for the tailgate. From the opening of the video, as you can see, it was a straight removal. You remove the OEM screws that's clearly visible on the tailgate panel. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. And yeah, I had to count that. But yeah, there's 10 screws. You remove them, remove the panel, and place the new panel on my mountain hatch. And yeah, it's pretty easy. I did want to test something out. I wanted to see if the OEM screws would work on the new mountain hatch panel. As you can see here, I'm trying to finagle things around to see if it'll work, because you know, if you could use OEM, better. But of course it comes with provided screws, as you can see right here. So it's screws and washers, so you just replace it. Fairly simple and easy, no issues here. As you can see, I am using an impact, and I would advise against it, especially if you don't know how to work it, because you could easily strip a screw, or worse, you could strip the hole that the screw goes into, and I can't help you after that. So if you're going to use an impact, use it at your own discretion. You don't have to torque down the screw or anything like that. You know, it's just the OEM ones came out easy, the new ones go in easy. So yeah, use it at your own discretion. If I were you guys, I would just use a regular screwdriver. But yeah, so there's nothing fancy about the install. You don't have to remove nothing else. All you do is just remove the OEM screws, remove the panel, put on the new mountain hatch panel, put down the new screw, the provided screws with the washers, hand tighten that thing down, and yeah, you're good to go. Other than that, you know, what can I say about this product? Mountain Hatch really did put a lot of thought into it. On the right side of the hatch panel, you see 3 cup holders. Right below it, you got the American flag, CNC cutout. On the left side, there's like a rectangular slot, possibly used for knives, utensils, whatever. And below that, there's a Mountain Hatch CNC cutout logo. And yeah, it was quite an impressive product. You know, it took a while to get here because they were out of stock, and me, I'm patient. I could wait. So yeah, it got in. I put it in probably less than 5 minutes. Yeah, other than that, I would recommend it. Check out their website, you know, see what they got available. And yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up. Other than that, be sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe, and look out for our next videos coming out. Peace.